Thank you for joining us as we demonstrate Seaflora's Zinc Alloy Beauty Tool. This durable, eco-friendly tool is easy to sanitize and is great for product application, Gua Sha techniques, and acupressure facial massage. Our first demonstration will be the Sea Therapy Eye Contour Gel product application and Awaken Tired Eyes routine. We want to scoop enough of the product to put 1, 2, 3 little dots of product around the eye, starting with the outside, working our way to the inner corner, and then on the other side, from the outside of the eye, working our way to the inner corner. And we're just going to make small little circles to stimulate circulation, reduce inflammation, and awaken the eyes as we apply the product. We like to do this technique 3 times minimum, but you can do however you are comfortable. And once you're done the bottom, we're going to do the top as well. You can move these motions outward as well to include the sinuses and keep further reducing any inflammation that you have around the eyes. And as a pro tip, we recommend cooling this beauty tool in the fridge for 15 minutes before you perform this eye routine. Easy and quick to sanitize, these tools are great on your retail shelf to use in testers and allow clients to try products without putting their fingers in any of the products. Now we're going to move on to Gua Sha techniques using the Healthy Healing Gel. You can use sea soak massage oil or whatever product you like for good glide. Now that we've sanitized our tool, we are going to demonstrate using the angled flat part of the tool. We're going to start from the base of the neck and work up to the base of the skull 3 times. You would be surprised how much tension you actually carry in the back of your neck and in your neck in general. That's actually pulling down your face. So the more you can do to relax these muscles, the better. Gliding from the shoulder to under the ear is going to be the next move. And then from your collarbone up to underneath your chin. We are going to work from the back to the front and then from the chin upward on the face. We're always wanting to use upward motions when we're working with the face, and unlike the rest of the body, the muscles in the face are not connected to the bones. So you want to manipulate them a little bit differently. Starting from the chin, you want to work all the way up the jawbone, lifting the face towards the ear. From the edge of the lips, we will work outward across the cheek and up towards the ear, up towards where the jaw comes together. And then from where the nostril is, across the cheek and up towards the temple. When we sleep, we're squishing our face, especially when we sleep on the side. And what we're trying to do is just move the skin back, massage those muscles, get them to relax. Next, we're going to start from in between the eyebrows and work up to the hairline, further reducing the tension in the forehead. The tension in the forehead, once we release this, we want to actually do a scalp massage. So if you're at home, when you're done all these techniques, put your tool down and give your scalp a little massage. We want to release all the muscles that are pulling on our face. And that's what we're really trying to do with these tools. Our next demonstration will be how to use the beauty tools for acupressure. And for this demonstration, we are actually going to use 2 tools. Again, another pro tip would be to put them in the fridge before use. You can do these acupressure points a few different ways. You can push on the points for 3 seconds and let go, or you can actually massage in tiny little circles if you like. Starting with BL1, the inner corners of the eye, you want to press using 2 beauty tools. Push for 3 seconds and then release. Next, we will go to GB1, which is the outer corner of the eyes, and we're going to press using 2 beauty tools for 3 seconds, just doing tiny little massages and then releasing. And again, pushing on those pressure points and then releasing. SJ18, below the cheekbone, is a very important pressure point in the face. And what we're going to do is just try to hit them perfectly. And if you need to roll into them and find your way to the pressure points, don't be shy. There's lots of diagrams that you can find online to find these specific pressure points. LI20, under the lower corner of the nostrils, will be the next pressure point that we want to hit. We want to push just underneath for 3 seconds and then let go. And push again for 3 seconds and let go. You can do these techniques for as long as you like. You can hold them for 5 seconds, 10 seconds, whatever's comfortable for you. Then we will move on to ST4, the corners of the mouth. And we're just going to push on these corners, on these pressure points, move in little circular motions, and then let go. SJ21, where the jaw and the ear meet, will be your next pressure point. Oh, doesn't that feel nice? And once we're done with that, and we're feeling nice and relaxed, we're actually going to put our tools down for the next couple of steps. An acupressure facial massage should also include an ear massage, gently rubbing and tugging on the tops of the ears and working your way down to the lobes. So let's start at the top and find just the pressure points right at the very tops of the fold. Every ear is a little different, so just do your best to find the pressure points on the folds and work your way down, gently pressing and gently rubbing and tugging on the ear as you go. When you get down to the lobes, you really want to try and just gently pull them outward, and push with your finger, your index and your thumb on those lobes, hitting all the pressure points in the ears. The ears definitely do not get enough love, do they? The next technique may surprise you, as we are going to move to the hands and push on the muscle between the thumb and index, using your other hand's thumb and index to press. And when you're done the one hand, switch to the next. You will feel this tingling in your head, reducing headaches and promoting circulation. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you, Valerie from West Coast Aesthetics and Healing Studio, for being our lovely model. Please contact us if you have any questions or need any further demonstrations. We're always looking to hear from you. You can call toll-free at 1-877-713-7464 or reach us at info@cfloraskincare.com. Thank you.